Let's unbox and set up this Softbox lighting kit. We have a manual, our bulbs, two of them, and these are our soft boxes. And I love how nice and firm they are, very rigid material, nice and sturdy. And this is our diffuser fabric. And this is a set of two. We have two of everything. We have two tripods, and they're nice and firm. They can go as low as 26 inches all the way up to 6 feet. Just make sure that you spread the legs all the way if you're going to be using it that high. It's easy to attach the diffuser. Just screw it on. Our cord is about 9 feet, and the good thing is we have a switch. Push that ring back all the way onto the socket and then screw in your bulbs. Now let's attach our diffuser. Just use your finger to push out the corners of the fabric. That way it will sit properly on top of your softbox. And we have Velcro on all four sides, so just press them in place. So these are the two together. I'm going to turn my overhead light off so you can see how much light they produce. I'm going to place one on either side of my sofa. Turn one off, then turn the next off. And there we have it. These lights are very portable. They're lightweight yet sturdy. I use them daily to record videos and take photos, and they all turn out great.